ECIL recruitment for 650 vacancies, and we'll see what is the eligibility criteria. And there are huge vacancies in ECIL. This is the official notification. The post name is technical officer, that is on contract, and the consolidated amount is 23,000 per month. Let's look into the official site. This is the official site. As you can see here, ECIL website, Electronic Corporation of India Limited, and the post name is technical officer on contract, and this is a advertisement number and the procedure for online application. The link of this website is given in the description, and the application dates starts from 6/2/2021 and the last date is 15/2/2021. So we have very less time, so do apply for this post. This is on contract, but a very good experience, it counts for you. This is the official notification, technical officer, 650 vacancies, and the age criteria is should not born on or before 31/1/1991, and the consolidated amount pay is 23,000 per month, and there will be also some allowances, extra allowances given for this. So the 295 posts reserved for unreserved category, and 32 posts for EWS, and 167 posts for OBC, and 108 posts for SC, and 48 for ST category. So it's a great opportunity, and the benefits are also covered in this. So there are also other benefits, that is like medical benefits and life insurance coverage, and the contract period will be for 6 months, and it is stipulated if you have interest you can apply for this. The essential qualification to apply for this post is a first class in engineering degree in either EC, that is electronics and communication engineering, or electrical electronics engineering, or electronics and instrumentation engineering, or mechanical or computer science or information technology with a 60% marks in aggregate from any university. That is first class is required. So the experience, the candidate should have a 1-year experience of qualification of an industrial as graduate engineer apprentice. So method of selection will be purely based on the merit based selection. So it is purely merit based selection, and after verification it is at ADVAT. So on successful completion of document verification, final offer will be issued to the candidates who are selected. And as we have discussed earlier, there are reservation criteria as well. So it is, the age limit is 30 years, and different category they are relaxable for 5 years for SC, ST, and OBC 3 years. So those belong to Jammu and Kashmir, the exemption for this they can claim for 5 years for the candidates who belong to the state of J&K, that is Jammu and Kashmir. So these are the general conditions, and online application. The mode of application is purely online, so you need to go to the official website, click on that link, and you need to apply online itself, and the requisite documents you need to submit or you need to upload in the online itself. So just we have seen at the start of the video, just go to that apply online, you will be directed to that page, and the application dates already started and it ends on 15/2/2021. So after applying, the candidates are required to take the printout of the registration application, and you need to keep it for further reference, and if selected you will be intimated via mail based on the merit, the selection criteria. This is the important dates. So commencement of online application has already started, and last date is 15/2/2021, and issuance of call letter for the documents verification is on 22/2021. So it is February 2021, and document verification come joining will be on 25/2/2021 to 27/2/2021. So this is what the important dates and schedule for this recruitment as well. So please to apply for this post, We'll see how to apply right now. You just click on here application, detailed advertisement, technical officer on contract, and if you just click on how to apply, you will be directed to apply for this post. You need to click on this post, this link, and you will be directed to the link in. So this is how you need to apply for the post. And please do share this with those who are in need. Thank you. Have a great day.